Hi everyone, how are you there? Welcome to join us on the session 2 of Kirisun webinar series Q4 2021, which is about Kirisun Patrol System. This is Alvin, your presenter for today's webinar. And our engineer team and sales team are here to back us up today from the beginning to the end of this webinar. This is how we work here in Kirisun. It's all about teamwork. And I hope you will enjoy the time with us today. I'm going to introduce the webinar. Please let me show you some tips about it. You will be muted during the webinar. If you have any questions, please write down in the question box of the webinar panel. And the webinar will be recorded, so you can review it on our official website, kirisun.com. All right, now let's get to the agenda for today's webinar. There are two main sections for today's webinar. The first one is the operation guide of Kirisun Patrol System, which is about 30 minutes. The second one is the Q&A section, and your questions will be answered during this section. For the last session, which is the post-webinar survey, and please take your time. It's only about 5 minutes to finish the survey, and your feedback are very valuable to us. Right, now let's move on. And here are the contents of today's topic. The first one, Kirisun Patrol System Introduction. Followed by that, we are going to talk about the patrol configuration process. Followed by all the configuration introduction for the following functions, which is patrol point, patrol route, and patrol plan. Last but not the least, for the last topic, is about patrol report operation introduction. Now, let's go to part 1. First of all, I would like to share what we can do on Kirisun Patrol System. As a subpart of the dispatch system, combining with POC system can meet the various needs of users, as well as provides a patrol record system to inquire attendance and actions chasing. There are 4 main functions of the system, including patrol point, patrol route, patrol plan, and patrol report. At this part, we can use various patrol types to check in, provide multiple scenes for patrolling, and report the patrol actions and other patrol records to the dispatch. The types will include NFC, GPS, and IBCON. And the patrol actions function can assign check tasks, such as checking the temperature and quantity of water, and so forth. And now, I will also introduce these 3 patrol types in detail in the following contents. The first patrol type is NFC. It is made up of Kirisun terminals and NFC cards. Please note that the terminal must have the NFC function. There are 2 advantages of NFC patrol type. The first one is that it is a high efficiency patrol type. it can punch in and report immediately without waiting for scanning and reporting. The second advantage is high precision. Since it needs to be punched the NFC card in 5 centimeters, it can ensure the reality and precision of the patrol report. The second type is GPS. It just needs to be set a location as the patrol point in the patrol system without adding any hardware. Please note it, the terminal must have the GPS function. The advantage of GPS Patrol Type is easy to deploy in a cloud-based deployment environment. The terminal's GPS can be automatically turned on. And then we are going to talk about the patrol types. IBCON. The IBCON is the third patrol type. It will need terminal and Bluetooth beacon. Note, the terminal must have Bluetooth function. There are 3 advantages of IBCON patrol type. The first one is strong concealment. Workers do not need to know the beacon position. And when they enter the punching area, they will punch in successfully. The second advantage is high precision. Each IBCON has an independent ID and will be installed in a hidden place. It can ensure the accuracy of punch data, protect MAC address, and it is hard to fake the punch data. High flexibility is the third advantage of IBCON patrol type. It can adjust the power value according to the requirements of the scene, support custom punching range, and also support punching in indoor or outdoor, as well as punching in blind areas. For the coming part, which is about adding patrol actions. For example, if a work is assigned to check temperature value or water pressure value, you can report the patrol data to dispatch system through the terminal. This function is very important. The reason is that the device will report the values that the worker checked on scene, and the system can compare the data and automatically calculate the fault data. Furthermore, the system can also report the fault number of the checked devices, which will help the managers more effectively know about the operation of all devices and will timely arrange workers to fix the equipment. Secondly, it is the patrol route type. It has 2 types to make a patrol route. There are fixed patrol route and flexible patrol route. We need to notice that the flexible patrol route is developing. And now, I will introduce the differences between these 2 types of patrol routes. Fixed patrol route means the points and times are designed to be fixed. As for the flexible patrol route has 2 ways to use. The first way is that we just set a fixed punching time. The patrol point and the interval time are flexible. The second way is that we can set fixed patrol points, and the punching time and also the interval time are flexible. Other than this, there are 2 ways to make the patrol route. The first way is single type patrol point identification, which means that we can only choose the identification of NFC or only GPS or IBCON. and the other type is mixed patrol point identifications. On this manner, we can mix two types or more identifications to make a patrol route. Thirdly, it comes to patrol plan function. Patrol plan can effectively help managers with shift assignment, time assignment, and periodic task setting. Moreover, our system can find and give a duty conflict warning when the plan is performing. Here, I would like to share that we are developing a new function supports all of the plans can be downloaded in Word format. The fourth part is patrol report. At this part, it includes plan statistics, people attendance, batch export, and email. Here are the detailed functions of the interface. For example, plan statistics can do statistics on plan list, rule list, completion rate, mischeck rate, fall rate, and also fault warning. People attendance function includes total plan check number, total finish check number, and early completion rate, time round rate, and also missed check rate and completion rate. For email report, supported choose one or more reports, and then send to multiple mails or send to regular email automatically. Now, let's get into part 2, how to make a patrol. First, we'll need to add one or more patrol points, and then we can make patrol route by using the patrol points that we added before. After the route is designed, we can make a patrol plan according to the patrol routes. Finally, all performed plans can be exported and sent to the relevant personal email, and the patrol statistics can be inquired in this interface too. After that, I would like to share how to use those functions in the following contents in detail. As we can see, the next part we can talk about how to configure patrol points. At this interface, we will click Add, delete or edit a patrol point. We need to notice that a patrol point added to a patrol plan cannot be deleted. To delete the patrol point, we need to edit or delete the plan first. To add a patrol point, step 1, click Patrol, and then click Patrol Point. Finally, click Add. And there are 3 types for us to choose, which is NFC, GPS, and IBCON. For adding NFC patrol point, firstly, choose NFC, and then set the task name, followed by setting the NFC tag. Please note that the tag is serial number of NFC card. We can use NFC tools to read. Step 4, please click this icon to create new functions. If the patrol data reported by the worker is out of value range, it will be considered as exceptional actions. For the final step, click OK to complete. Next, adding a GPS patrol point. Step 1, choose GPS type, and then click Selection Position to choose the patrol position, and then the latitude and longitude will be displayed automatically. Step 3, set the task name. Step 4, please click this icon to create new actions. Please note, if the patrol data reported by the worker is out of value range, it will be considered as an exceptional action. For the final step, click OK to complete. The last one is adding a IBCON patrol point. The first step, choose IBCON type. Step 2, click copy or write the UUID. As you can see on the screen, input this ID into the IBCON. It's very important that the UUID must be same as this number. Step 3, write a name. Please write a major value and a minor value, both of which range from 000 to 999. The step 4th and 5th are the same as NFC and GPS that we have mentioned before. After adding the patrol points, let's make a patrol route by using the patrol points we added just now. To add the patrol route, step 1, click route. Step 2, in the patrol route interface, click add. Step 3, in the pop-up interface, enter name for the patrol route. Step 4, add a patrol point to the route by clicking this icon, add, on the right of the point. The last step, set an interval between 2 points. The default value is 30 minutes, and the points can be arranged by dragging them up or down. Step 6, we may add remarks for the route. Step 7, click OK to complete. To inquire a patrol route, the first step, you need to enter a name in the search bar, and then click the search button. For deleting patrol routes, please take the route and click delete. And then, to delete multiple routes, please take patrol route list and click delete. Next, I would like to share how to configure a patrol plan in the following. To make a patrol plan, step 1, please click add. And then, in the pop-up interface, please enter a name for the patrol plan. Step 3, select a patrol route. And then, select a starting date and ending date. Step 5, to add another shift, click Add Time Shift. The second last step, select a terminal, a start time, and a work day. The final step, to click OK for finishing. For deleting patrol plan, firstly, to delete one patrol plan, please take the route and click the delete button. The second step is to delete multiple plans. Please take the patrol route list and click delete. We need to notice that if we delete the patrol plans, the patrol data will be deleted either. For 5.3, editing a patrol plan, we can edit the patrol plan by clicking Edit. Please note that the date of one patrol plan can be edited after it started to carry out. Part 6, which is the last part of patrol report. It includes plan statistics, attendance, export, and email those parts. And what we can see here, plan statistics include the number of planned check, finished check, missed check, and fault number. To view detailed statistics of a patrol plan, click this icon on the right of the patrol plan line. Inquiring attendance includes the number of planned check, finished, missed, move up number, and overtime number. To view a detailed statistics, click this icon on the right of patroller line. For exporting a report, we may export reports by ticking plan statistics or attendance and clicking batch export. To email a patrol plan report or a patroller report, please select the report and then email, as you can see on the picture. And we can set a report types as well as sending time. There are 3 types in total of report, which are daily, weekly, and monthly reports. All right, now today's presentation is finished. The next session will be Q&A. If you have any questions, please feel free to input in the question box of the webinar panel. And our team will answer those questions one by one. So come to the end of the webinar. It's the last minute of today's webinar. If you still have questions that you want to ask, just send the questions to your account manager. As you can see on the screen, we have different account managers for different regions of the world. Contact the one that in your region, or you can visit our official website to leave your inquiries. Either way we work. And we will answer all your questions as soon as possible. And thank you all for your time for today. And I wish you have a good day, and we will see you next time. Thank you.